Ginger mint lemonade recipe. Yield, 4 cups. Total time, 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1 big piece of ginger, about the size of both thumbs. 3 lemons, juiced. 4 cups 1L water plus lots of ice. 2 to 3 sprigs of mint, or more as desired. 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters agave syrup, or more if desired. Directions: 1. Wash the ginger, and grate, skin included, into a pulp using a grater. Gather the pulp into your fist and squeeze to extract the juice. Add to a pitcher containing the lemon juice, water, mint leaves, and agave syrup. Give it a quick stir. 2. Add the ice cubes, stir again, and serve. Notes: 1. The more ginger, the bigger the spice kick. 2. You can also use a nut milk bag, or a thin, clean dish towel to squeeze out the liquid, or if you have a juicer, you can just put the ginger through that. If you are squeezing it by hand, you might notice it can irritate your skin. Wash your hands well after. 3. If you are finding this too spicy or tart, add more agave syrup or water, as desired. 4. Storage: the ginger, lemon juice, and syrup concentrate can be prepared and kept in a jar ahead of time, max 2 days, and diluted with water when you want a refreshment. 5. Variations: add berries like raspberries, blueberries, or strawberries. Add slices of fresh ginger or cucumber. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.